Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2024 Case IH 400 Magnum tractor, the AFS Connect 400. I'm here in Judah, Wisconsin. This is one of two that we have. Pretty good size operation south and west of here. Decided to buy this last year, and after running it a year they wanted bigger, so they ended up going with a couple of quad tracks, and these are back to us and they are for sale. The original invoice that I've got posted on the website is pretty accurate, except for that there was extra pump installed mid-season last year, to give it a twin flow pump, and then also the front weights were added on. As you can see, these 71042s are humongous. This is quite a tillage tractor. Of course, the original warranty and any extended warranty goes to the next guy, so you can buy it with warranty coverage. No flaws that I can see on this tractor. Everything looks nice. The unit is a 3.5 valves. The 3 PTOs, 540 thousand. As it is a 400, it's a Powershift. We'll show the hours on it here. 502 right now. It takes a while for the 1200 monitor to fire up, but everything runs the way it ought to. We just driving it around here. It's Powershift is fine. Again, warranty goes with the tractor, and you'll get along just fine. So come to Judah, and I don't think you'll be disappointed if this is what the kind of machine you're looking for. Thanks for watching the video.